Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Hayes, and we're going to watch a video today on two-way frequency tables. So a two-way table is one that compares one variable against another variable. So let's look at example 1. It says a radio station did a survey to determine what kind of music to play by taking a sample of middle school, high school, and college students. They were asked which of 3 different types of music they prefer on the radio: hip-hop, alternative, or classic rock. And the results are in the table below. This is called a two-way table because this, on the left, represents the first variable, and that would be, let's say school year. I don't know why that looks so bad. Okay, school year. And then this variable over here, the second variable up at the top, represents variable number 2 is type of music. So we're going to look at a comparison between what year you're in and what type of music you prefer. First thing I always do when I see a two-way table is do totals, because you can be darn sure they're going to be asking you about these totals. So total these numbers up. Let's see, 66, and 10 carry the 1 for 60, and 10 and 14, 24. And then along the other totals, so let me just already move this out of my way. I'm going to do another column for the totals over here, totals. And I'm going to have 20, 30, 46, and 4 is 50. And these total 50, and these total 50 as well. So the grand total is 150, but also check this way to make sure they too will total 150, and they do. So I figured out my totals. I'm about to answer some questions now. Question A, what fraction of all students are high school students who like alternative? So of all the students, notice it's in bold, out of all 150 students, we're going to create a fraction, high school students who like alternative. So high school students who like alternative, there are 22 of them, high school students who like alternative, out of 150. Your calculator will reduce this for you, so you could reduce that fraction. All right, this one says what percentage, so I'm going to end up with a percent, keep that in mind, of students who like classic rock, so I'm going to go to classic rock, and that would be 24 students that I'm considering. So of the 24 students who like classic rock, attend middle school. So look at these 3 numbers. The 4 is in the middle school column. 4 out of 24 is 1/6. And if you go to your calculator and you do 1 divided by 6 and do Control Enter on your calculator to get a decimal, you will get 0.16. I think I did this on my calculator so you can see it. You'll get 0.16 repeating. So 0.166 keeps going, which is approximately, multiply by 100, 17%. So multiply by 100 to get it to be a percent, and that's about 17%. What percentage of college students, so now I'm looking at the college students, go to college, go across, of the 50 college students prefer classic rock? So look at classic rock, who falls in the college? 14 of them right here, of the 50. Notice I'm looking for a percentage, and if I double this out of 100, well, not really doubling, but scale it up, I should have said. 28 out of 100, which is 28%. Remember, percents are out of 100. What percentage of middle school students, so now look at middle school students, there's 50 of them, prefer hip-hop or classic rock? So I'm going to go to the middle school students looking at the hip-hop or classic rock, 28 and 4, for a total of 32 out of 50. Again, scale that up, 64 out of 100, and it wanted a percentage, 64%. So it's not too tricky, it's just a matter of looking at the table the right way. Here's a little reminder about is over of and denominators and all that good stuff, but I'm going to move on to example 2. A survey of 100 students. I like it when they give me the total. So they also gave rows for total and column for total over here. So there's 100. That means this bottom corner is all the 100 students. It was found that 60 students watched sports. 60 students. And 34 of these students did not like pop music. 34 of these students did not like pop. 34. Of the students who did not watch sports, so of these students, 70% liked pop. Did not watch sports, liked pop, 70%. So 0.70, I'm going to have to multiply by whatever. Oh, wait a minute. I know this number. It's 100 minus 60. There are 40 here, right? Because these have to total 100. So 70% of 40 goes in this box. So I'm going to go to my calculator and do 70% of 40 and get 28. 28. Now I'm going to look around for what else I got here. These two numbers right here have to total 60. So this must be 26. If I just do 60, take away 34, that's 26. 26 and 28 together make 54. Let's see, these two have to total 40. So this must be a 12. And then these two total what? Let's see, 30, 46. Oh, that's good because 54 and 46 totals 100. Let's look the other direction though. Does 60 and 40 total 100? Yes, I got that checked. These total 60. These total 40. It looks like everything checks out and I'm good to go. All right, hope you enjoyed this version of two-way frequency tables notes. Have a good night.